It definitely was hot for us. It's been hot across Europe. And Robert, you say in Arkansas and in Oklahoma, it is dangerously hot, and we've got several days of this ahead.
Yeah, there's heat indices right now because of how high the humidity is in Northwest Arkansas. Heat indices 120 to 130. I mean, it's almost comical how high the heat index is outside at this hour. So you've got to take the heat seriously. You have to stay in the air conditioning if you can, or drink lots of water. Most of us look like this poor fella here on your screen, overcome by the heat. That's what nobody wants to be like if you have to be outside for any extended period of time over the next week or so. So this week, this is what we can expect, that dangerous, life-threatening heat. And I know, I am well aware, those are strong words. But heat is the #1 weather-related killer across the globe. It is the heat. It's not hurricanes, tornadoes, flash flooding. It is the heat. And we're going to see plenty of it this week with highs between 98 and 105 all week long. But possibly we could see some cooler temperatures or more average temperatures for this time of the year by the upcoming weekend. You can see that excessive heat warning for the entire area throughout the rest of the day. You get into the real highest of elevations here into the Boston Mountains out toward Newton County and points east. Just a heat advisory, but it's still no picnic outside at this hour. You can see how gorgeous it looks in Eureka Springs, but it's blisteringly hot. You can see Northwest Arkansas, widespread triple-digit heats, 104 in Elkins right now, 103 in St. Paul, 102 Kingston. Drake Field is at 101. Very hazy and hot in Fort Smith as well. We're at 103. It's 107 in Van Buren, 104 Waldron. No matter where you look, it is hot and it is humid across the area. And you can thank these ridiculous, look at the dew point in Kansas City, 82 degrees. That is outrageous, the amount of moisture that is in the air right now. And it's not going to get much better tonight. By 10 o'clock as you get ready for bed, still many locations 80s and 90s. By tomorrow morning, still very warm for the morning hours at least, upper 70s and lower 80s. We quickly shoot right back into the triple digits by tomorrow evening. And then by Tuesday morning, still very, very hot. Here's a look at Tropical Storm Hillary, which continues to straddle the Baja California coast. It did officially make landfall, but it may move back over the Pacific and make a second landfall. Look at this huge fetch of moisture all the way up. Yeah, you're seeing tornado warnings mixed in there as well outside of San Diego. And to make matters worse, within the last hour, outside of Los Angeles, they had a magnitude 5 earthquake. So you've got a hurricane and an earthquake at the same time, and they did feel shaking in Los Angeles. And you can see in Bakersfield the rain coming down. Might have an accident here because of the rainfall, but it is no picnic in Southern California as Hillary continues to march its way off to the north. It'll be in southern Idaho by tomorrow evening. For us tonight, very mild, very humid, very uncomfortable. Temperatures tonight oppressively warm for tomorrow as well. And you can see just how ridiculously hot it's going to be over the next 5 days or so. But as I said, by the weekend, those temperatures start to cool off a little bit in Northwest Arkansas. River Valley, just a blisteringly hot week with triple-digit heat around the clock, basically. We're going to make a real run at records, folks. It could be a record-shattering week. Stay with us. We got Sporty Wise coming back on the other side of the break. She's got all your sports news after this.